Oh! Yeah man, couple well, I catch your money. Shit. Come on, Nick.
Just show you.
My nails and break with it. Yo, people mango for days. You see more, Shelly? I'll go over the part of where I saw.
Why not?
So people, this is the life I'm telling about. Jute on. Yo!
Is that the gun?
No, big old what's this up there?
I don't want to start eating still now, because I don't want to bother you know.
No, too late for mango.
Too late, but maybe back there, man.
Leave it, can leave it here, sir?
Almost 11 p.m. in the night. This is what we're here doing. Drinking jelly coconut. You're not getting no better than this, people.
Hello? Hello? Alright. Yeah. You want me to do that for you? Let me do that for you. No man, I tell you what to do. No man. You tell her. I want to go you have to do. Man. You need more, no dumpling.
Yes, sir. One going to go.
And if you do that before you do that, you know?
But I wanna.
Yeah. You see that?
Yo. You see the people? Yo, I don't want enough food. Let me see them something now.
Every day, bro.
No food.
I want dozen mango.
Yeah, come on, hang out the mango bush.
No. You're not going to see that.
So freestyle, this is how I wake up. Wake up to the chirping birds, the cat them a crow, and all of them something there. Yo, so this is nothing like country life. You know where I go right now? Not even far, just going to go through the gate right there, so let me show you. Just going to go through the gate right there, so. And them say a barrage, a mango tree down there, so. Watch the people, the blacky tree. The blacky mango tree, this you know. Yeah. Yo, everything there on us, so. I'll get up tree. Oh, wait. Them don't even know where they can come in the people, because me use a man, I still think them turn full. Ready for climb tree, you know, and I can't climb, so. You know, that's how I gotta go. Watch and see what I go and for myself, car. Yo. So right here now is a guinea tree, see there? That's why. Where did now the guinea them sour though. Coming like me. Like the season just probably are sometimes I have some guinea we just sour right through. Even when them fit them still sour, so probably in this case that is it. I can just pick them up from under the tree because they're freshly dropped.
want to shut this?
Huh?
Shut that up, man. Shut up, man.
Let's go. People look here. Trust me, just by walking and picking up, this is what we get already. Bucket almost full. And the mango them sweet. People, no, me not trouble, you know. Me not trouble, people. Look where me end up bite. The mango have me remember never see it and I bite it.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Oraine Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So we just landed in Montego Bay. We're now going to drive from Montego Bay to St. Catherine, where we're going to have a function in St. Catherine. So for the next day or two, I'm going to be in St. Catherine. Then we're going to drive back to Ochirayos. Spend probably like 6-5 days on the resort and then take it from there. But I'm kind of excited about the whole country vibe. It's been a while I've been going to the countryside and like it's mango time. I'm going to climb some mango tree. I want to pick some coconut jelly and things, but I don't want the one them on the road. I want to pick one a jelly. I want to pick one a mango. I want to chop one a cane. I just want to have some fun in the bush. So we're going to St. Catherine. I hope we can find one farm where we can just go explore and enjoy myself. So as mentioned, we are going to make sure that everything at Jamaica get captured, from the parties to, you know what I mean, to the day-to-day life in Jamaica, the street life, everything is gonna capture. So just make sure you lock the dial and stay tuned. So I'm now gonna pick up my rental car and we're now gonna drive to St. Catherine. We're just going to hold a mad vibes at the countryside and come back on the city side of things and just go and browse on the resort for a couple of days. Let me show you what's going on in Montego Bay as a matter of fact. So this is the airport. The airport is quite busy. People are coming in. And over there on the hill, I'm not sure what part of Montego Bay is that, but some nice houses are on the hill over there. And the sun hot and the place is just a vibe. Nothing like being home. Like, it's just a vibe out here in Jamaica. So, you know where it goes. See the tourists them now. Tourists. Guys, say something, guys.
They're not tourists.
Are you guys excited to be in Jamaica?
Yeah, tired. More mango.
What you want?
Mangoes, pineapple.
So she want mango. Yeah. Yes, I'm happy to be home, right?
Yes.
Of course. Of course. And we are ready to rumble. Right, Oraine? That's it. So people, we just reached now the countryside, and trust me, the drive from Montego Bay to Ochirayos was mad crazy. The journey was long. Now I'm having some issue now with Freestyle. I'm supposed to be doing Dream Weekend, but I don't know because I get to understand the people them book the Airbnb I booked twice, and then my hotel that I had booked from the initial stage was in Ochirayos, and trust me, based on the long drive in there, now I kind of find it hard to drive every day from Montego Bay to Ochirayos and from Ochirayos to Montego Bay. So right now I'm not too sure about Dream Weekend, but I tell you about, yeah, when you're at the countryside, see that? It's a vibe. Coconut tree up here and all these things. See it there? And I have some coconut already picked. And they're on the ground right here. So we have some coconut on the ground here. So we have some jelly. It's now like about 9. It's about 10 p.m. right now. And you say we're outside. I tell you, so nothing like the countryside, nothing like Mother Nature. Yeah, the place is nice and quiet. So, with that being said, freestyle, jelly for days. Jelly for days. And we're talking about from the tree to your mouth. It's not getting no better than that. No additive, no preservative. So the jelly tree them right here, it's no joke about it. There are the jelly trees, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, it's a country life are the best. And then in the morning now is the day for the reunion. You know what I mean? Wifey and her family, them a get together and do a thing for them father and things. So, you know what I mean? We're just there and we just show support and thing as always. But as you can see, we're on the hill, nice scenery. I mean, like, as for me, when I see stuff like palm tree and coconut trees and all them things, they just excite me because it just give it the island vibes there. And me as a youth where I live and die for the island, especially my country, Jamaica. And I know that if you know me, you know. So when you come on to Jamaica, Jamaica is always dear to my heart. You know what I mean? Some nice coconut tree here. As for these are just coming up, I don't think them start to bear anything yet. They don't start bear anything yet, but freestyle my day, I just need have to start the vlog now the night. I see the coconut tree there. Yeah, coconut up in a tree, see you see it there? Coconut up in a tree. Yeah, you're not getting better than that. And then now freestyle tomorrow morning now. When I wake up in the morning, we are go over the mango tree. You see mango tree over there, so? See mango palm tree and bee something. So tomorrow morning I will climb the mango tree. I hope I can find some ripe ones, but for sure tomorrow we're going to climb the mango tree and shell it down. But yeah, freestyle, so we're going to chop jelly now. Time to chop jelly. Time to chop jelly. I'm going to show you how I go on, because I might feel like I can't use my shit, you know. Freestyle, see there? What you mean? So people, this is the life here. This is the life. Authentic from the tree to your belly, you're not getting no better than that. Yo, I was a rocky flavor yesterday, you know. Real life, we are talking about. I was see if Rockcliffe can angle my shit, car. The money are Yanks, you know. The money are Yanks, you know. I gotta go like my yard, yeah, Yanks. Yeah, people, but it's a vibe, you know what I mean? We just stay and we are. I just go on with a vibe and I go on one tree.
You see? Yep. One.
People, this is the life. You can't give up on them things. Yeah. Watch there. One big bunch of jelly there, so. one next big bunch over there, so and more down there, so.
Mango tomorrow.
And yeah, man, this is the life, people. This is the life. This way I talk about, man. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, them things I love, people, the authentic lifestyle where you just freestyle. I must say, I mean freestyle now, so we just freestyle. You see, it's now after 10 in the night, and so we are chop jelly coconut and we are peel cane, and we just have all our vibes and just there. You know what I mean? I just the authentic life we are talking about, you know. People, stuff like these umber me. Umber beginning, you know what I mean? This is not my country still, but my country have all them things, and just like how you see them have the coconut them and the mango and everything. Yeah, stuff like these live for them something, authentic lifestyle. Bobs, wash off your heart. Alright, that is it. What you mean? Hey boys, what's good? What's good? Are you all enjoying Jamaica, guys?
Yeah, Jamaica good.
Can name got tight?
Maya, are you enjoying Jamaica? You love it? Junior, enjoying Jamaica?
Just be careful, don't make it fall down.
Johnny and Rockcliffe, like you want some more practice for the jelly chopping, you know?
We need help to get rusty.
Yeah. Man, turn young to the people. Man can't chop a jelly in the people. Watch your man, watch your man. Yo. Young to the people. Yeah.
So people, sure, no, I'm going. Now the way they see meat out of the skin in them, I don't have to peel them, you know. No, I don't have to peel them. Blackie and Julie Mango. Tell them to them I can't go on jackfruit place right now where I get jackfruit, so. So them wake up. I wake up this man make breakfast, let's run them way. I want a breakfast, you do one man? I can't go breakfast and smart mango tree about, you're mad.
I do this really early before I eat. Before after busy.
Don't want to keep it in there. But I'm going to find one of mango come on. Sure. I will just share two.
That's sweet, you like that sweet.
And all the mango money.
I'm still asleep. No, you're going go.
So Rockers, that pine that come off of farm too?
No, I get that from my wife, mother.
Looks sweet.
I mean, look, it's coming for so good. I mean, everybody do their chat and left it on somebody front porch. But I don't know people living there, I'm going to go sit. Lot of people. One thing is, I wish we come up later, be happy.
Beautiful, mango and sweet. Everything just come right from either the side of the yard or the back of the yard. Everything is just at reach. Well, you know, I forgot too far, I forget nothing. The mango tree, them the right here, so everything just right at the fingertip. Sure now. The black mango tree, them there. And see, the little tree right here, so the jackfruit tree, probably soon start bear. And a tree there over there, so the jackfruit tree, but it not start bear yet. It bear, but the crop over now. The crop over now, so probably it's not time for jackfruit, it's time for mango and guinea now, so. All those trees you see over there, so be a mango tree, them. Sweetest thing, them, trust me. I probably eat a dozen mango every day, I still feel like I don't start eat mango yet, because I love mango, especially black mango. My favorite mangoes is always East Indian, Julia, and Blackie. I show you guys this tree earlier on and tell you guys that it was a jackfruit tree, but it's just coming up. In fact, by walking around the tree, we get to understand that the tree is a cashew tree. Here's a cashew on it. And here's some cashew then pick and put for dry. You know? If you don't know cashew, this is cashew, so you can roast them and you cut them open and get the cashew out of them. So my apologies, guys. It wasn't a jackfruit tree, it was a cashew tree. And then, you can't beat me because look, it has some form of similarities in terms of the leaf. Over here, so, is the cashew tree, right? And then, this one over here, so, the jackfruit tree. So you see the leaf, them look alike. Even the color of the leaf, them look. Could have fool anybody, so. You don't want to beat me for that one, alright? Let's come outside where you look at outside pipe. And wash the mango them right out here. But we eat mango all day, every day. Especially them black mango here, them sweet. And this is the yard. Nice landscape, coconut trees. And so we have some more jelly that we picked yesterday too. People they want to climb the coconut tree, but Jano, nothing make you manage that one, so I'm just going to leave that one there alone. So go over them, dry up and drop off of the tree. So people, this is the community, and I'm gonna tell you something about this community. If you have a white shoes, make sure you don't say wear the white shoes in the community, cause yo, look on the dirt, red. I say red, the dirt red. Go show you a better look at the red dirt. So we're there. People look see a banana pan tree there, so chop banana and just know say, yo, what's up fam? Big up, we're there man. Money go on. Go to the one. We soon come, yeah? You see the dogs them just roam the street as them like. Elder, what going? You're good? Alright, later. Later, see? Elder turn back. People look here again. Neesbury tree, sir. So people, so I'm telling you, say the dirt, if you ever feel like you can't wear on white shoes, come as a God, go with you, yeah? I just know, say, after you come to them red dirt, yeah? That's it. People up on a mango tree, yeah?
Boy! Watch out! What kind of mango is that? That's remember we used to go up on the hill? How about that, my antenna?
People on mango tree, yeah? People on mango tree are loaded.
Remember you used to come around all the time? The beef mango? No.
They're not ripe now, right?
No, they're not ripe. No, they're not. We'll come see you later. Later, we'll come. Bring me some press pan, man. Give me a bucket, give me a basket. Must correct, man. Give me a bucket and a press pan, man.
Yo, people, so you see the mango tree, the mango them just big, and the sad part about it, them just ripe and them just drop under the tree.
See, you see sweet sap? That's the thing right there. Get the sweet sap on the thing.
Yo.
Give you remedy, give you a whole pack. Then say help cancer.
What, sweet sap?
Yes, you know.
You know how long I'm gonna say all this, bro?
Sweet sap and sour sap and them things.
People see the sweet sap here. See the sweet sap tree having a copper on it. Chef, I say I'm a ripe one, but none look like it have no ripe one on it. Them green. Yeah, but how the country life, man, over here so now you have barrage of ackee tree there. So when we in America buy ackee in the tin for $17 a tin, then people are able to drop off a tree or like drop off a tree in a real life. Yo, that's crazy. Right here is a Nesberry tree. Look, Nesberry tree loaded. Yo, the place fruitful like what? So you walk everywhere you look. It's either you see a mango tree, a Nesberry tree, or a coconut tree, but some fruit tree is there awaiting you. This is the life, man. Outside brawling. Yo. Freestyle on the ground, man. Yeah, sometimes we have to take up on the nature walk, you know, yeah, and always the parties and the shows. Sometimes I want to show some nature. Like for example, For example, look up this one. Only a banana tree. Banana tree and all these things. Country life, man. Nothing like it. So. More ackee tree over here, so. The ackee tree them. And down in the, I'm showing how I go on. Over there, so, breadfruit tree, coconut tree, all kind of tree down there, so. You can see the ackee them, my people. Ackee tree. People look on the avocado tree. In Jamaica, we call it pear. See them? Yo. So everything there, so I'm telling you everything. We have avocado, see them there? Tree loaded. Yo. Check people. Them green though. Them dog got be like them want to attack me so.
Mango? Yeah, man. No, no, go so far. I'll pass up. On the outside, man.
Shelly, come with the fruit cup.
Hold on, cherry one.
No money.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Let me show you how so.
Yeah, man. We'll link me up later, man.
Yeah, man, later, man.
Yes, sir.
What am I, East Indian?
Okay.
East Indian, there's the right? Oh, damn. Sweet sap. Yo. Shelly, you're late.
No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself. We'll come back to the board.
Oh, you want me to carry, Shelly? Want me to carry?
Yeah.
Let me carry.
Tanga airport ready.
No, me alone. No, me alone.
Oh, alright.
Come on. Me have to do one and
Friday, man.
bring
Boy.
stuff down
Friday.
and you know? We can.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, John a big fan and God say, hey, me I go.
Yeah, man.
So, Steve, if you go airport on the party now, I'm going to miss you. Master, them flight a delay every day, you know.
I know, right?
You send us some more money?
$15
What's your fare, JetBlue?
$15 myself.
What's your come from Florida, though?
$15 myself.
Airlines, man.
Yeah, $15.
She good, trust me.
$15 myself. Yeah, the airport business, all the business. Yeah,
okay.
I'm far. Yeah, $15, man. At 6 hours, that's what I did. Yeah. I mean,
Yo, it took me 4 hours to come up here today, you know.
The traffic guys are just trying in general.
I'll take 3 go and 3 come back.
Oh no.
You should have in here. But at least she can come and just get ready and come down. But
Yeah,
but
yeah,
we have
penny
to
number.
sit here.
But can you call her?
Yes.
I want to call her, man.
I want to jump.
From mango to pineapple. And from pineapple to jackfruit.
Yeah, so different.
Jackfruit sweet. People look there, we get at the bush. We have 2 buckets. A mango we get from the mango bush also. Then we have these right here. East Indian, we have sweet sap, we have Nesberry, everything. A bunch of Julie mango. Yeah man, couple well, I catch your money. Shelly,
You know, get there one place you don't catch me in a tree. Can I vlog of you, man? Come on, Nick.
Just show you.
My nails them break with it. Yo, people man go for days. You see more, Shelly? I'll go over the party where I saw.
Why not?
So people, this is the life I'm telling about. June on. Yo!
Is that the gun?
No, big old wasness up there. Throw the wasness. Be careful, mommy.
And we can't carry up none.
People. People, see the wasness there. You see them? Yo. If them was a day ever attack me in a tree, me trip over. Them there?
Mommy.
Yo. With that being said, Zane. That being said, look, these are Julie mangoes. And the mango them just ripe and just drop under the tree and spoil. Yo, this paid my heart. You know, sometimes I want a one mango and can't get it. And them days are spoil. Look there. Mango. Mango. Mango for days.
Yeah, I come down. Me just carry on. Check on. Then take on my walk to, and the next time, I only have 4. And then we'll have.
Shirley, what are you going to do? Mash up a Julie there though.
You go to Miami. One night, the last time down here.
And money can have a feast over there with them. Hey, that's what you find. Stay away there, stay away there. Nice. So people see there, all Julish mango tree.
A chop thing, man, is a chop.
Right? Mango tree them, but yo, I can't believe I climbed the mango tree. It having a wasp nest. People, can you imagine? Them wasps that bite me up. Yo, my trip would have spoiled. Remember, I have all these events to cover and wasps go bite up my face. Yo. Survive, man. Yo. I love the country vibe there, man. Yo. Right now, we have over, not even know, uncountable mango like crazy. We have probably like 3 buckets of mango up at the house. And then we come from our next mango farm here, so. And we get a lot of Julie mango. We have sweet sap. We have East Indian. And then look here, so again. We find one more mango tree there, so again. Yo. It's crazy, people. Everywhere you go, mango there. You just walk around the house them and mango there. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's coming for you. Oh, you go, man, you look good. Yeah.
It's a bull.
Yeah, man, tell you, brother, man.
These are the things that me come here so I feel no brother.
What you mean, Bridging?
I'm going to go in a bar, I'm a top fuck. Me so I live on Muya by here for, right? 12 o'clock right now.
Oh, damn. What time? You have to leave us soon, man.
Oh, I'm listening to it, I'm not gonna lie. I forgot what midnight tomorrow.
Oh yeah, work. Oh, seeing.
Yeah.
If I start get all belly.
You could never carry one from my yard.
No, the one that
You knew what was right here. You come my yard, reach if you want to know what to do. That's it. Yo.
Oh no, so the person who picked him up, I won't be able to find.
Or close to the ground it there. I just walk over here, sir, and pick it. You know?
What time are you getting here? 12?